Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Pi coin on Bitget. So your first step would be to open up the Bitget centralized exchange. Once you've opened up Bitget, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Bitget, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of new user rewards when you register and verify. So guys, with your verified account, how can you buy the Pi coin on Bitget? Click on the Add Funds options. Once you've selected Add Funds, click on Deposit Crypto. Use the search icon to simply search for USDT. So make sure you have some USDT in any external wallet to simply send into the Bitget platform. So go ahead and select any network. I'm going with BEP20 and then copy the address and paste. So once you've deposited your USDT on the app, either via a normal crypto deposit or the P2P option, which involves you buying cryptocurrency using your local currency, or the convert option here that you could use to simply convert your other cryptocurrencies into USDT for the Pi coin. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, simply click on the trade icon at the bottom of the screen where we have Vanry USDT. Click on this coin and select Pi USDT as this is what is trending. Now simply use the buy option on the screen. Make sure you're using market order. This helps us buy instantly as soon as we click on buy. So simply scroll to 100% and then click on buy Pi and click on confirm. Beautiful, it's completed. And if you head to your assets menu, scroll to the spot and you'd find the Pi coin on your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.